Before the opening bell, U.S. indices closed down on Tuesday, pressured by real estate, banks, and insurance sectors. On the economic docket, the trade deficit declining to $43.1 billion for November, lower than expected, and the ISM non-manufacturing index rose to 55 for December, above consensus. Also, factory orders falling 0.7% in November, less than expected, down from a revised increase of 0.2% the month before, and the November final read of durable goods orders falling to negative 2.1%. This all as 60% of S&P 500 constituents traded lower or unchanged yesterday. Meanwhile, after the markets closed, Boeing, a 737-800 plane bound for Kiev in Ukraine, crashed shortly after takeoff from Tehran in Iran, killing all on board. Meanwhile, Constellation Brands, the producer of branded alcoholic beverages, surges before hours after posting third quarter comparable EPS up 10% to $2.14 on sales rising 1% to $2 billion. Now, in terms of expectations today, we do have results from Lennar, and on the economic docket before the opening bell, we have MBA mortgage applications and ADP private payrolls. In the afternoon hours, we have consumer credit change for the month of November. Meanwhile, in the markets, the S&P 500 is where we begin. That sees a continuation of the rebound. The Nasdaq, that sees further upside, and that's in focus. The relative strength index bullish and calls for further upside. Long positions above 87.98 are favored, with targets at 89.06 and 89.58 in extension, while the Dow Jones sees a continuation of the rebound.